Okay. First unscrew this screw one. Unscrew this screw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, unscrew. And remember, this one don't move it. This one, yes, this one don't move it. That is the key in the start. Okay, in a second. Okay. Remove this screw.
这是温度传感器，要移过去。这个胶可以留着，因为待会还可以粘哦。因为它那边不一定有这种耐热胶，所以。
And this battery can save it because this is very important. Okay.
然后就要落铁了，暂停。
That's the back. Okay. This is a switch. Connect remember the two white. This white is from top to the bottom. 1, 2. Okay. And unscrew it. First, second. Okay. And then okay. Open it and remove this heating board. Okay. Yes, after we send you the heating board, we will connect this. And then send to you. So you don't need to worry about it. After you change the heating board, then put this blue line connect to this board. This is this blue line for testing temperature, and then show to here. This is then for testing temperature and then show to here. Okay, first install first and connect white to this hole. Okay. Okay, install second. Put the screw back. Put this screw back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And remember, this is no install because before we no remove it. So only 8 screw. That is the back. It's okay. And the last one. Just now talking about the two whites. That white is back, and the reading to this first because this have a back reading, so we choose reading to connect. Have a back, choose read. And that is back. Okay, and check it. Okay, now easy take off. Okay, that is change heating board back down. Okay.